So this is a turkey. Hey all, welcome back to Timbo's Food Box. I wanted to make a quick video because I just received another box in the mail from crowdcow. Look at the size of this sucker. This is a big box. Inside this box is a Thanksgiving turkey. Today is November 16th. So we are about a week away from Thanksgiving, and I got this in plenty of time. I'm not gonna thaw it out right away, but I will throw it in the freezer. They told me it would roughly take about 3 days for this to thaw out. So let's get into this box. So I don't know if anybody saw my short video I made around crowdcow and their turkey sale, but this is from that deal. So if you got that deal, you probably have the same bird as me. I've never gotten a turkey from crowdcow before. I've always bought it at the grocery store. They really taped this down. So I do not know what to expect. I've never bought a turkey online before. I got a letter. Timothy, Blackwing Turkey makes some of the best turkeys anywhere. One way to enhance the flavor of a whole turkey is to brine it in salt and sugar solution before roasting. Salt and sugar. Sounds like I'm making kettle corn. So on top are my free offerings. First thing I got myself some oven mitts. Oh, this is really high quality. Hello. Hello from crowdcow. And here's a hand warmer, so I can take my turkey out with ease. I got something else. Is this a tablecloth or a hand towel? Can you see that? I do not know what this is, but maybe we can use it as a placemat for the video. Whoa. Stakeholder? What the hell is a stakeholder? I don't know. It's a free towel. I'll find some way to utilize it. Let me flip this down. You see inside? We got our favorite stuff in the world, the cornstarch. I've made multiple videos talking about the cornstarch and how you can just melt it in your sink, so I won't go there. Let's pop dish open. Boop. Got some cardboard dividers. 1, 2. We got some paper. And lo and behold, we have a bird. Let me stand up and get that bird out. Wow. Honestly, I am so used to turkeys coming in that mesh that you get at the grocery store. But instead, this is just a nice big bag, Pasture-Raised, no antibiotics ever. Ever. It says this is a whole young turkey, Blackwing, all natural, no antibiotics ever. It may contain giblets, farm raised by independent family, all vegetarian diet, no hormones or steroids. Love that. As you know, I had weight loss surgery. Don't want to put shit in my body. Here are the macros. So a serving size is 4 ounces, 140 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 0.5 saturated fat, 70 milligrams of cholesterol, 60 milligrams of sodium. So it's not super high in sodium like I've seen before. Carbohydrates, none. There's no fiber, there's no sugar, there's no added sugar. That's why the instructions say, add some sugar and salt. The thing I like to see is the protein count. We got 29 grams of protein for 4 ounces. That's huge. And then as for some vitamins, we have potassium and vitamin A. So it says to preheat oven at 325, place thawed turkey in a shallow pan and cook for 15 minutes per pound. So this is a 16.9 pound turkey. That is what I ordered. I actually ordered a 16 pound, but this came at a 16.5. So I got more turkey than I paid for. Not by much, just a little bit. I saw something else in this box that I forgot I ordered. Only because it's the holidays. And this thing looks huge. Oh my God. I got a Love and Quiche Gourmet Authentic New York Dessert. This is a 10-inch crumbly apple pie. It's frozen, of course. I have an apple pie to cook on Thanksgiving. Guess what? it's made with love. Dry ice is melted, so this came at a really good time. Turkey's still frozen. Can't see if that's frozen, but it's pretty damn heavy, so I assume it's frozen. So that is my unboxing of a crowdcow turkey. I've never ordered a crowdcow turkey in the past. Can't wait to try it. I didn't buy a big bird because I'm the only one eating this. There was 3 tiers. There was a small, medium, and extra large. I went with the small. So they said it would take about 3 days to thaw out in my fridge. And then once it's completely thawed, it's good for about 1 to 2 days. So you gotta cook it kind of right away. Do you wanna save $25 off your first order of crowdcow? Well, I'm gonna stick my promotional code in the description down below, as well as in the comments. If you click it, you're gonna get $25 off your first order, and I believe you can buy just about anything on their website, which I think is really freaking cool. I don't know if it's too late to buy a turkey. It might be. You can try. I'll try to put this up right away. I do need to set a reminder to take out this turkey on Monday from the freezer. The pie, probably 24 hours. I will bake it, warm it up. Stick around. Maybe I'll make a quick short as to how I cook this. But I want to get this video out so people can see that you can buy a nice turkey from crowdcow. You don't have to just buy steaks. If you want to check out another one of my crowdcow videos that maybe has steak, check out this video right here. And if you want a different meat company to maybe chase, check out ButcherBox right here. And if you don't like those two, check out my channel. I have plenty of other videos of other boxes I've reviewed. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me along. Happy turkey season.